This is the broken telescopic handle from a Delsey Luggage that needs repairing. Let's fix it using 3D printing. To begin, I designed the replacement handle in Blender, including a functional push button on top. Next, I prepared the design in the Bambu Lab slicer, setting it up for precise 3D printing. Using the Bambu Lab A1 Mini, I printed the handle in white filament. Here's a time lapse of the 3D printing process. After printing, I assembled the white handle to test its functionality. Once confirmed, I painted it black to match the luggage and give it a professional look. The final result? A fully functional and great-looking telescopic handle. This repair saved the luggage from being discarded and is a testament to the power of 3D printing. Like, comment, and subscribe for more creative DIY solutions.